Hello everyone and welcome to our Halloween ballet choreography. I'm going to be teaching you 3 basic ballet skills that you're going to be able to join in a whole choreography right at the end with music. So say that, let's get to it. In today's choreography we are going to learn 3 basic skills, Balancé and tournant from the diagonal. We are going to learn Piqué Arabesque and then Souplé and Cambré from 4th position. You may also know it as pour the bras forward and back. So let's begin by going to the diagonal. From classical pose, we are going to do tendu forward with right leg, demi-plie and lift, left leg. 3 steps turning and giving back. 1, 2, 3. Right leg goes allongé. A step, step, a step. Let's do a little bit faster as the music is going to be faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Our next skill is going to be Piqué Arabesque in relevé. We finish our balances in battement tendu plie, right? Now we are going to Piqué. We are going to transfer our body weight over the toes as soon as possible, but going all the way up, right? And then our back leg is going to be dynamic and accent up, stay, and we are going to end in a faille forward. This is how it's going to look like. Piqué Arabesque, faille. One more time. Demi-plie, over your toes, arabesque, faille. And our next and last skill to learn before we do the full choreography is pour the bras forward and back in 4th position. Bending our front leg, arms in 2nd position. We are going to do souplé forward, arms join in a 5th position, goes up. And now we're going to breathe to our Cambré. Open and classical pose. Let's take the first part of the choreography from the beginning, diagonal. Let's do it. And we go. Balancé, balancé, Piqué Arabesque, faille, souplé, Cabré, straight. Now we are going to do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go right to the middle. We're going to do Balancé sideways. We know this one already. 2, tendu, Piqué soutenu, pose, and repeat to the other side. Balancé, balancé, demi-plie, Piqué soutenu, pose. For more videos like this ones, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a ton of links for you, super fun on how to improve your ballet technique. So like that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.